Hello guys, welcome back to my brand new YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. If you don't want to miss any future videos like tips and tricks that will help you in your Amazon KDP publishing business, income reports or general tutorials for this business, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. So let us don't waste more time. I will see you in 10 seconds, my friend. So now we are back in our KDP reports page. As you can see, I managed to get 6 sales in my third month of Amazon KDP, which was the 1st of February till the end of February. As I mentioned in my last video, I published my first low content book in my second month in January 2022. At Amazon.com, so in the United States marketplace. And as you can see, I got 3 sales at this marketplace, and the other 3 sales were from Germany, from my non-fiction book. So I was very happy to see the results that I published my first low content book a month before, and a month later started to get sales at this marketplace. So it motivated me, it helped me to stay focused to publish more low or no content books and manage to get more sales. After this, I would say we have a look at my royalties from this month and have a look at my royalties of these 6 sold units. So now we are back at my royalties estimated for the third month of Amazon KDP, which is the February. You can see that we made $18 and $11 came from Germany from my non-fiction book, and $6.43 came from the United States. So the lowest day were, as you can see, $0, and the highest day were over $6 at the 10th of February. So this was from the start my lowest month of royalties, but I can promise you it stayed my lowest month, and the following months my royalties increased, my amount of sold units increased, and the following months showed me that Amazon KDP is a very good platform to make good online passive income. So at the end of the video, I hope you like it. Please leave a thumbs up on this video, take a comment down below and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we will see us in the next video.